Alright, I'm going to show you how I create my station music using iTunes. So first of all, I'm going to find a song that I want to choose and use it as my station music. So I'm going to choose this one right here. I'm going to right click on this song, go to Get Info, click Options, and I'm going to change the stop time to the length that I want my station to be. So I'm going to make my station, let's say, 1 minute long. Then I click OK. Now what I need to do is I need to go up to File, Create New Version, and then click Create AAC Version. And what this will do is it will create a copy of the song for the length that I set it, which is 1 minute. As soon as this is done, it's going to show me a 1 minute clip of this song. What I like to do after that is change one of these descriptors to station music so that I can easily find it later when I'm looking for my station music. And I also have created a folder on my iTunes titled Station Music. Then I need to go back to my original song and change it back to the original length of the song by just unchecking the stop. Now I have one song created for my station music. If I want to continue using that same song for a station, I'm going to right click it again, Get Info, Options. I'll change the start time so that it starts playing at 1 minute, and I will change the stop time so that it stops playing at 2 minutes. Then again, I'm going to go to File, Create New Version, Create AAC Version. And now I'm going to have two 1 minute clips of this song. So what I'll do with the first one is I'm going to add a number 1 back here so that I know that's the first part of the song. And this one I'm going to add a number 2 so I know that's the second minute of the song. I go back to the original, change the stop and start time for the full length of the song, click OK. And I'll make this station music again. I will add it to my station music folder. And that is how I basically create my station music. Now I'm going to show you how I create my gaps in between my station music for when the kids need to clean up and rotate. So I'm going to use the QuickTime player to do this. I'm going to go up to File and New Audio Recording. When I click this little red record button, it's going to create an audio track, and so if I want it to just be silence, I will just click it for as long as I want and make no noise, and that will create my silence. Or I can just click it and say something like, "Great job, boys and girls, clean it up and rotate." So that's what I'll do here. All right, boys and girls, clean up your station and rotate. Once I click stop, now I have a 10-second clip of music here. After I close it, it's going to ask me if I want to save it, and I'll just say silence, parentheses, 10 seconds. I'm going to save it to my desktop, and it's right over here. Now I'm going to open iTunes, and I'm going to drag it over into my iTunes. So click and drag, and now it has been imported into my iTunes. So let me find it here by clicking Recently Added. It's right there. Let's listen. All right, boys and girls, clean up your station and rotate. Now what I can do is I can add it to my playlist by simply dragging it to each of my playlists that I want. I go to my playlists. There it is at the bottom, so what I can do is simply move it up and put it in between each of my stations, which you can see that I already have. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete this. And I would just add that multiple times to this playlist so that I have that gap of silence in between each station.